Hello guys, this is Shiva here again. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys another powerful boom and crash strategy. And on this video, the strategy I'll be sharing with you is a price action strategy. Alright, but it's a very simple price action strategy that even a beginner will understand how to do it also. Okay, so without wasting much of our time, I want to quickly explain to you guys how it works. Okay, but before I do that, let me quickly remind you guys about my strategy, the VIP strategy which I'm giving out. Okay, and this strategy is a strategy that you can use to grow as little as a $5 account. Okay, I'm talking about the VIP strategy. Okay, so if you want this particular strategy I'm talking about, you check the description of this video. You are going to see my WhatsApp contact there. Do make sure you message me so that we'll discuss on how you get the strategy. All right, so with that being said, now let me quickly explain to you guys this price action strategy that works very well on bone 500 and crash 500. Okay, I repeat, this particular price action works very well on bone 500 and crash 500, and is more safer on these two synthetic indices. Okay, so this is how you are going to analyze and go about this particular strategy I'm about to share with you. Number one thing you need to know is that you want to know the trend of the market, right? So for you to do the analysis, you go to the 1 hour time frame, or you can even use the 4 hours time frame, whichever one you prefer. All right, now on the 1 hour time frame, right, you want to see that this is bone 500, right? So on the 1 hour time frame, you want to see that you are in a downtrend. Okay, and this strategy we are going to be trading against spike, right? And it's a scalping strategy. You don't need to stay long, right? So now on the 1 hour time frame, you need to confirm that you are in a downtrend. All right, and for you, that if you are a beginner and you don't know how to do trend line and all those other price action stuff, you can use this blue moving average here. All right, I'm going to share the setup for the moving average. I will share the setup later. Okay, let me just first of all explain how the strategy works first. So now you want to confirm that you are in a downtrend, right? You can see price broke below the blue moving average, and you can see ever since it's below it. All right, so once you have confirmed the trend like this on the 1 hour time frame, you are going to step down to the 5-minute time frame, right? So here on the 5-minute time frame now, this is how you want to go about it. Right here on the 5-minute time frame, you want to also see that price has broken below the blue moving average. All right, so once it breaks below it like this, and give it a retest. All right, so for example, this, it broke below and now you can see it went for a retest. All right, so on the coming back now, you are going to mark the area where it reversed from, right? This is kind of a break of structure strategy, right? So you mark the area. So this is the area it reversed from. It means that there's a support and resistance zone around this area there that push price to the upside, right? So you mark this area here, right? So on marking the area now, this is how what you do before you go in for your entry. You want to see the price come back down to this area and break this structure, this support and resistance zone breaks. All right, now the candlestick that will break below this needs to close successfully below this area. All right, it needs to close successfully below the area. Now when you are marking it, make sure you mark the tip of that area there. All right, make sure you mark the tip, and you want to see that the candlestick breaks and close below that area, right? So once it closes and breaks below this area like this now, right, once it closes below this area, that is when you go in for your 3 candles. All right, you have to take 3 of this 5-minute candlestick, which is about 15 candle in the 1 minute time frame, right? So you can see this is where it closed. You go in, right? There was a little spike here. That's kind of a retracement. All right, it went back to retest the area. Okay, so you can see price broke and now it went back for a retest and continued to the other side, right? That's why the spike happened there. All right, so this area now, you will be able to take your 3 candles, you'll be able to take your 3 candles successfully, and you are out of the market. All right, that's how the strategy is. All right, now you can see price broke below this area and it made a retracement. All right, it broke here, you can see that it broke around this area and made a retracement. All right, you wait for it to break and close. You can see the candlestick here, this red candlestick broke below it and closed successfully. You take your entry around that area. There was a spike, which is kind of a retest. All right, and you'll be able to get your 3 candles here. This is the first one, the second one, and the third one here. You are out of the market with profit. All right, now same thing happened here again. You can see the retracement here. There was this spike, you mark that area here, and after it breaks and closes successfully below it, you pick 3 candles here. All right, 1, 2, 3, and you book in your profit, right? Another one happened here again. You can see how this thing is working, right? It breaks below it and you pick your 3 candles, you are out of the market, right? Before any spike will come. Now after this spike happen, you mark the area again, right? And you wait for price to break below it. You pick your 3 candles and you are out of the market. All right, now the reason why I say you should trade this strategy on boom 500 and crash 500 is that the spikes that happen here are not too long, unlike boom 1000 and crash 1000. Okay, the spike that do happen here will not be long enough to blow your account. Okay, let's say you have a $20 account and you are trading with this strategy. There's no how you will not make profit. All right, even if you have losses, you are going to recover it over time. All right, so this is a very good strategy, and so far you have made your analysis from the 1 hour time frame or the 4 hours or daily time frame. If possible, you know the trend of the market, that you are in a downtrend. Okay, it's going to always give you profits on the 5-minute time frame, because the overall trend of the market is now a downtrend. So market will start, like any spike that will come is going to be a short spike. It's not going to be long enough to blow your account. Okay, so make sure whenever you are trading with the strategy, you check the 1 hour time frame and you check back on the 5-minute time frame. You want to be confirming what is happening on the higher time frame. So on checking the 1 hour and you see that price has broken above this blue line, all right, price has broken above the blue line, then you stop trading. All right, you stop and you wait till it gets below it again before you start trading. It's as simple as that. Okay, so I think that is going to be all for this. I've explained how the strategy works and I've given you guys some example. I've shown you guys some examples. So all that is left for you guys now is to go and backtest the strategy. Make sure you backtest it very well on boom 500 and crash 500. So once you have seen that it's working for you, then you can go in and trade live with your hard-earned money. All right, so that is it, guys. I will be closing the curtain here now. If you are a new viewer coming across my channel for the first time, do make sure you subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post a powerful strategy like this, you get notified immediately. And don't forget to give the video a like. All right, it helps a lot. If you know you are getting value, then you give the video a like. All right, so for the setup, you click on the F icon and you click on this main window plus icon. You search for your moving average, which is this one. You can see these are the properties. The period is 35, shift is 0, method is exponential, apply to is close. The level, you leave it as it is, time frame, all time frame. The style, you make it color blue, 3 pixel, and you click on done. That is it for the blue moving average you are seeing here on the charts. All right, so that is it, guys. I'll be seeing you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Silver out.